Hello, Techies N Teslas. Today we have something a little special for you. We have done a bit of a studio transformation. Check it out, and you're going to see us hyperlapse as we work super fast getting the background changed. No more blurry videos. What's up, tech heads? Thanks again for tuning in to Techies N Teslas for a very special edition today. We are going to be unboxing our Chive Box. What's a Chive Box, you ask? Well, the Chive Box is a monthly subscription box from the Chive. Now, for those of you who have been living under a rock and don't know what the Chive is, don't feel bad. I didn't know for quite some time either, until my brother-in-law told me all about it. Once I checked out that site, it changed my life. So, what any responsible chiver does is subscribes, gets the box every month, and gets all kinds of cool gear, such as the t-shirt I am wearing, which is a members-only t-shirt from the Chive, as well as you can get cool merch, such as, but not limited to, the BFM Chive coin. Now this bad boy right here is gonna let you get discounts on the Chive store, but also get you into the Chive headquarters. You wanna go meet and greet? This golden coin, real gold plated, is gonna get you into there. This is actually what I got from one of my Chive boxes previously. And then I thought to myself, holy crap, why am I not unboxing the Chive box? Just kinda makes sense. So that's exactly what I started to do. So off in the little corner here, you will see we have the Chive Box. Now, what is exciting about this Chive Box is this is actually the biggest one I've gotten. Now, of course, this is the first video I've ever done for unboxing a Chive Box. And so I figured, may as well put up as much of my Chive gear, such as my members only Chive blanket. I mean, here in Canada, it gets freaking cold. So what do you do if you're ever, stranded, trapped, freezing outside? Use your Chive members only blanket, of course. So let's jump right in and begin this unboxing of the Chive Box. Now this is cool because this is the biggest Chive Box I have seen so far. This is super, super cool. So let's cut this bad boy open and see exactly what we are gonna be unboxing today. Flappity flap. Alright, so we've got packaging. Alright. Gonna put this off here so we can see as I pull everything out. Now, every time you get a Chive box, they always give you their amazing Chive postcard, I like to call it. And what this tells you is exactly what's inside and the value that you get. Now, what the Chive box costs is about $60 American per month. Comes out to about $88 Canadian. Okay? And for that, you usually get about anywhere between $30 to, I've seen even $100 of savings with Chive boxes. So let's start unboxing and seeing what the heck is in this amazing Chive box. It's like unboxing a box. First, I take everything out of the box and then we simply see. So, first amazing box. Ooh. Typical white box. No markings, so this is a mystery what could be in here. here? We've got one bubble wrap thingy, two bubble wrap thingy, three bubble wrap thingy, four bubble wrap thingy. Okay, so we've got some bubble wrap stuff. Let's go ahead and we will unbubble wrap this. We'll definitely have to keep this cool. Now this I can relate to. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it says, "Surprise, I'm drunk." Yeah, I'm sure we've all had moments like that. So that is a nice little cup. Looks like it's most likely a whiskey glass. So let's look on our little Chive postcard and just see what we have here. Well, it could be two different things here. I'm gonna say this is most likely the cocktail mixing glass set, which they also have a cool little description on here. It says, "Admit it, we've all been there. Sometimes whiskey on the rocks is just too much of a power move and you find yourself in need of a mixer to help the medicine go down a little easier. The mixing glass helps to bring the art of stirred cocktails back to the basics. This glass works double duty as a vessel for both the preparation and the serving of the cocktail." So that's cool. So we got 4 of these bad boys here. Ooh, but wait, there's more. We actually have Beast of Burden whiskey cup. Very nice. Suddenly I have the urge for a bourbon. Here we also have a couple more. Okay, so we also have another little Beast of Bourbon cup. So that is 2 cups and one more surprise, I'm drunk cocktail cup. So nice. So we have got 2 Beast of Bourbons and 2 surprise I'm drunk glasses. Now what else do we have in this cool box here? Oh, we also have cocktail mixing glass. Okay. Ooh, right off the bat I noticed hand blown glass. Very cool. Weighted base, 20 ounce capacity. 20 ounces. Sounds like a fun Sunday. I love getting Chive boxes. It's like Christmas every month. Cool. Okay. Very nice packaging here. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Huh. Okay, so it's... Okay. I'm gonna have to definitely get a little more sophisticated if I'm gonna start using stuff like this. But definitely a heavy glass. It's cool and it's hand blown, so that's kind of neat. Somebody actually created this by hand, so that's really cool. So, all right, let's see what else we got in this wicked Chive box this month. All right, we have W&P Peak Iceworks extra large ice cube tray. Cool. So we'll get this out here. Makes 4 2¼ inch ice cubes. Wow. Now this this is what I call an ice cube. That's insane. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Definitely would be cool to actually, you could maybe put juice in here or mix it with your vodka or something, but doesn't have to be alcohol. It could also be something, you know, family friendly. I say juice. Put some fruit cocktail and freeze these up. Put a little, maybe a popsicle handle on there, and boom, you got yourself a little gigantic 2-pound fruit popsicle. So, wow, definitely the biggest ice cubes I have ever seen, and sometimes a silicone tray as well. So, Hopefully it's dishwasher safe because I do pretty much everything I put in the dishwasher. Like everything. So yeah, that's also super cool. Chive always has such cool things. And it also comes with, as you can see, a little lid. It says Peak, which must be the brand, obviously. Peak. So got that. Unfortunately, we're getting down to our last items. Dear, dear. Well, looks like we have, to complete your whiskey, bourbon, gigantic ice cube evening of fun and party, we also have a deck of Chive playing cards. So that is very cool. I like to play cards. Unfortunately, I don't know how to play poker, but I can play fish, war. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So very cool. So now these are actually this is actually my first Chive playing cards. So that's neat. And as you can see, they're just your standard deck, but it just says your KCCO, keep calm, Chive on the front. So cool. I now have a Chive set of playing cards. So that is super duper cool. One thing I will point out immediately, however, is this is the first Chive box I've received that didn't have any actual apparel in it. Usually it'll be, a shirt, sweaters, blanket. But this is the first one that actually doesn't, so, which is fine. It's got lots of other cool stuff. So what we have here is the Buy Me Brunch whiskey and wine glass set. And then we have the cocktail mixing glass set. Then we have the Keep Calm playing cards. And we have the Peak XL square ice cube trays. So all together, this was $106 value that I got for 88 Canadian. That's a great price, eh? So yeah, that's super cool. And then it looks like we also have some kind of a 15% off coupon card here. Says grill your ass off. Veteran owned, Texas made. Seasonings, sauces, beef jerky. So I also have 15% off, which is great because I actually have a Pit Boss pellet smoker barbecue that I use all the time. So I will definitely be checking out these Texas made sauces because nothing makes your meat taste better than having the right rub. So that is amazing. Cool. Well, Chive, thank you once again for sending me some cool stuff with my Chive box. I can't wait for next month. And we're gonna be doing this every time now. So from now on, Chive will be getting represented every single month. And I hope to see you, every time with the Chive unboxing. Make sure to subscribe and feel free to smash that like button if you like this. And if you didn't like it, smash it anyways. But yeah, thanks.